Looking back, I can't help but feel the weight of missed opportunities. There was a time when the world seemed full of possibilities, but I hesitated. I saw an open door, a path that could have led to something new and exciting, but I was too afraid to take the first step. I remember the day vividly. An invitation to join a project that I knew could change everything. It wasn't just about success. It was about growth, about finding a new purpose. But doubt crept in, whispering in my ear, telling me I wasn't ready, that it wasn't the right time. So I let the moment pass, thinking another chance would come. But it didn't. The world moved on, and I stayed in place, watching others seize the opportunities I had let slip away. They grew while I remained stuck in the same routine, wondering what could have been. Now, the regret lingers like a shadow. I try not to dwell on it, but it's hard to shake the feeling that I could have been somewhere different, somewhere better. I tell myself that everything happens for a reason, but some days, that's little comfort. All I can do now is learn from that moment, to be braver, to take chances when they come, and not let fear hold me back again. Because the pain of a missed opportunity is far worse than the fear of failure.